In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply coupon on CNFans. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to CNFans.com, their official website, and then on here, you want to sign into your account. Once you do that, click on your profile icon up here top right, and then click on My Account. Now, from here, you'll see a bunch of different things here on the left, and you want to go inside of My Assets, where it says over here, and then you want to click on the wallet. Now, once you're inside the wallet, of course, you can go to here by just clicking My Wallet over here as well, but this is kind of the longest way. And then you have to go to the coupon over here, which is going to be the second tab, and this is where you can actually apply and redeem coupons inside CNFans. Okay, so just you have to basically paste in the code, you can redeem the code, and then you'll be able to see your available coupons, and then you'll be able to apply those when you are purchasing for the next time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.